Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your computer's screen timeout settings in Windows 10. Start by opening the Windows search menu and typing sleep. From the search results, click on Power and Sleep Settings. A new window will appear where you can adjust when your screen should turn off. Just below that, you'll also find the option to control when your computer goes to sleep during inactivity. If you're on a laptop, you'll see separate settings for when your device is running on battery power and when it's plugged in. If you're on a desktop, you'll only have one set of options. For each option, you can choose a time anywhere from 1 minute up to 4 hours, or set it to never. For example, I've updated my settings so that the screen turns off after 15 minutes and the computer goes to sleep after 30 minutes. And that's it. Changing your screen timeout and sleep settings is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.